This just started happening. I don't know what it is. I didn't even know this thing was on. I don't think anybody's touched it in a couple days though.